welcome to Whose Line Is It Anyway, the show where everything's made up and the points don't matter. Mikey, stop sneaking on go back in your spot. Now, this is the game where everything's made up and the points don't matter. That's right, the points are just like Kevin's jokes. They just don't matter. Now let's look at his face. Let's look at his reaction face. Okay. Hey, where's Mikey? Get up! Okay. Now, we're gonna start this game with a game called Hollywood Director. This is for all three of you. All right, Kevin, you're gonna be the director, and these two are gonna be playing the scene, and you're gonna cut and be the director and tell them notes on how to do it better. Now, the scene is two angry college boys, Mikey and Parker, are off to go start a new life out in the open, but then, You know what? Never mind. That's really stupid. Okay. Alright, how about this? Alright, how about this, guys? Okay. Now. Alright, Parker, you are the banker, and you're working in a bank, and Mikey comes to rob it. Alright. And action.
Okay, here's your money, sir.
You ruined it!
What was it? I'll tell you what that was. That was the definition of crap. Do it over again. Don't be an idiot. And action. Your money. No. Your money. Where's your money? Where's the money? Cut. Oh. That's what that was. Okay. This time do it as if it was made in the 70s with no violence. Action!
Yo, this got where it was the money. Money.
I'm not giving you the money. What's wrong with you? Do it in slow motion and as if violence. No violence. Slow motion, no violence. Go and action.
No, that's all.
Move it.
Beep, 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 beep. Crap. Alright. Now, we're gonna move on to our next game. Get up. Get up! Alright. We're gonna move on to our next game called Dummy. This is for all three of you and us and someone from the audience. Let's see. You, come on. Alright, now. You're gonna be the dummy. Alright.
Come on.
Now, okay, fine. You can be.
I'm not crying.
What's that? Ah, jeez. Oh, okay.
Wow.
Hey, where's Mikey?
Behind you.
No, he isn't.
Yeah. Side. Right there.
Get up! Get up right now! Get up!
I'll be the dummy.
Okay, fine. But, alright, okay. Now, Mikey. No, wait. Parker has to be the dummy and you make the words for him.
No!
Alright.
I want to make the words.
You're not good at that. Alright, now Parker, you're the dummy, and now all you need to do is just move your mouth, and you're gonna just play along with the scene. Kevin's gonna make your words. Now, the scene is two Civil War soldiers, you two, are in the middle of are in the middle of a battle when suddenly you realize that your mom is pregnant. Alright. Move closer together. I can't fit you guys.
Together or against each other?
No, just get
Okay. And action!
Gee, oh, is that my phone ringing? I better go get it. Oh, there it is. Hello? Oh, hey, Shelby. Oh, hey, Bob.
No, this is my no.
Hey,
You're
give
a
me
whore.
back my phone.
You're a
Give me
whore.
back my phone, you retard. I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna kill you. Hey, Mom. What? You're pregnant? Oh. Oh, that's unfair. I'm gonna shoot you. I'm so crazy. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Beep, 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 beep.
Okay, that's done.
Tune in for round 2.